Okay, now we want to use the toothbrush because there's going to be a lot of build-up where the water drains from the shower. So you want to get right down and scrub inside the area where the water goes out of that plug. Now also, you're going to find, like I have, hair, right? There's always hair stuck in the plug. You do not want to put that down the toilet. It can clog the toilet if there's too much of it. You put it in the trash. You don't let it go down the sink unless you absolutely can't stop it. But if it's there, collect it and put it in the trash, not down the toilet, all right? But keep scrubbing around because there is always a lot of build-up because that is where, all your hair products, your shampoos, your conditioners, your soaps, it all sits right here where the water drains. So you're going to get a lot of discoloring around that plug. Sometimes you'll see sort of orangey, browny marks if you colour your hair, for example. When you're washing your hair, it'll sit right there where the water drains. So just scrub, and your cleanser will probably have some kind of bleach in there as well. So it'll actually help whiten this whole area. So into the trash the hair goes.